welcome to my YouTube channel. Here is Michy. For those who are new to my channel, I'm Michy. I do makeup videos and I try to post at least 2 videos per week. For the oldies, hi, how have you been? Well, this is my fall makeup. I love this look. I just tried it with the Morphe M350 palette and I hope you like it. So if you're interested in this look, stay tuned. I'm very sorry that I haven't been posting any videos. There's a lot that has been going on in my life the last few weeks. I had exams and I also moved from where I was living before. That's why we have a different background, if you noticed. So I'm gonna set my primer with the opal. I don't know if it's being caught on the camera, sorry for the dust. In the shade Deep, and I'm just gonna kind of press it in all over the eyelid. In the previous videos I've been using La Mercier and it's white, practically white, and I didn't like how it turned out. So I'm going to be doing the same with the other eye. So there we have it. You see I used, although I'm using a primer that is not my shade, with the black opal loose powder in Deep, I got to tone it down a little bit. And I think this is more works more with my skin tone in comparison to the other videos the earlier videos that I've shot. And I believe this is going to help my eyeshadows to also pop. Let's just wait and see. We're going to be using the Morphe M350 palette to do this look. These are like the best fall winter shades. That's Wannabe right there. So I'm going to use Wannabe as my transition shade. Using this fluffy brush from Kiko, I'm gonna use this to put the hair out of my face a little bit, just like that. So once I don't have any more shade on the brush, I'm just gonna go a little bit above. And blend it all up. I'm gonna do the same on the other side. Tap off the excess. Just follow your brow bone. I'm gonna go back to Wannabe and I'm gonna build it up more. So I'm gonna be using the Morphe 350 brush. Sorry about my fingers. I have an appointment on Friday, so let's hope for the best. So I'm going to take a darker shade. I'm going to go in with a darker shade, darker than Wannabe. That was Wannabe, that's what we used as a transition shade. And then we're going to go and take Click. That's right here. And I'm going to use it, I'm going to put it in the crease. And just concentrate on the outer crease. And just blend. We're going to do the same on the other side. And then we're going to put it in a little bit with very short strokes. Wipe the strokes with feathery. Same on this side. Put it in a little bit. Then we're going to take the brush we used before and just blend it out. Harsh lines. Because you don't want to blend with the dark shade, because then you just have a mess. We're going to go in with the shade XOXO and we're going to put it on the lower lid. Oh, on the lower lid. We're going to go in with the shade XOXO and we're going to put it on the lid. And then we're going to go in with the shade we used before and just blend the edges, the outer edges. To do the outer V, I'm going to take a more precise brush, this one right here, and I am going to go with a darker shade. This shade right here. Top off the excess, then we're going to do the outer V. I'm just going to draw the outer V. And then I'm going to blend it with the Morphe brush. Blend it in. I don't know. You'll see. Then I'm going to take this one with the shade that it had on before. Without adding any product, I'm going to just blend it out a little. This is all blended out. Looks good. That too. So I'm going to take the blending brush and I'm just going to blend the outer corners or the outer edges. Thing is transitioning properly. And now for the lid shade, I'm going to go in. We're going to keep this look matte. That means we're not going to go in with any shimmers. Either it's going to match and be like wow, or this is where it's going to be like a total fail. Okay, so I think I'm going to go in with the burnt spice. That, my ladies and gentlemen, is burnt spice. I'm going to take that risk. Black brush from Kiko. I'm going to apply this on my inner lid. So I'm going to be looking down. Maybe if I had done a half-cut crease, it would have been more bang in your face. Then I'm going to go to Wannabe. Wannabe is the first shade we used before. And then I'm just going to tap it in between so that these two shades here can transition into each other very well. Then I'm going to do the same. So I'm going to do the rest of my face off camera and then I'm going to be right back. So I'm back and that's the complete look. I hope you like it. Personally, I'm pleased with it. Don't forget to subscribe if you like this video. Don't forget to like it and share it with your friends.